clearing operations. So not all clearing operations is limited to the government forces. Meron din yung kagaya namin, like me, mag-isa ko lang dito sa garden. And I have to do it. Otherwise, kawawa yung mga ibang plants na natakpan itong mga nabuwal na sanga. So, yan, nabuwal ang mga sanga. I have to cut them down. Itong sanga na to, it's like a slingshot. I'm going to make them as support for other plants like the bananas or yung maliliit for the chili. This tree has a very soft trunk, madali siyang mag-decay. Kaya it's a temporary solution but it's very natural. Yan. So ito, I have this sanga here. Putol goes up sa taas kasi bababa din naman yung nutrients. So yan. This will go as compost naturally, mulch, magiging mulch, and then yan, hayaan lang siya sa base ng mga plants and they will act as mulch.